This citrus beet salad is incredibly delicious, healthy, and perfect for any time of the year. It's packed with flavors, nutrients, and vitamins needed for the cold winter days. For this salad, we'll need mandolin or use a regular grater if you have one. We'll need golden and red roasted beets. We're going to julienne them and add to a large mixing bowl. Peel and grate carrots, add to a bowl. Next, using the same grater, grate apple, add to a bowl. Chop some fresh mint and fresh cilantro. You can use parsley if you like. Next, for dressing, add freshly squeezed lemon juice, orange juice, oil, balsamic vinegar, some pepper. Give it a good mix and add to salad. Then mix everything together and enjoy. This citrus flavored beet salad can be made up to 5 days ahead of time. This sweet and savory beet salad recipe with fresh citrus dressing comes together in about 15 minutes and it looks gorgeous at the table. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes and I will see you next time. Bye!